In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, along with some other essential cryptocurrencies that you should be focusing on. So let's jump into it. Hey everyone, Dylan DeFazio here. I'm an online marketer and an enthusiast on cryptocurrency. If you guys want to learn how to market or enjoy learning more about cryptocurrency, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. So let's jump into exactly what you need to know about buying cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Now, there is a few things that I want to go over before we actually go ahead and purchase cryptocurrency, because there is a right time and there is a wrong time to be buying cryptocurrency. And if you guys want to learn how to read charts and other things like that, there'll be a few links in the description below which will teach you how to set up charts, which I'm going to be going over here right now. What you're actually looking at on my screen is CoinMarketCap. Now, CoinMarketCap is a online site which is going to show you the current top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, which is going to show you the biggest market cap cryptocurrencies in order. Obviously, being Bitcoin number 1, Ethereum coming in number 2, XRP, which is Ripple, along with some other cryptocurrencies. Now, one thing that you guys want to focus on is, if you look over in the corner here, you're going to see the price graph of the last 7 days. Now, this is just a brief overview, and if you guys want to see a better way of looking when you should be buying cryptocurrency, let's go over to a site called TradingView. If you guys want to learn how to set up a chart which looks like this, I have a training video which I'll link right up here, but make sure you finish watching this video first before you actually go ahead and watch that TradingView setup video. Now, one thing that we're looking for when we're buying cryptocurrency is you want to look for these little dips in pricing, okay? You guys look right here, you see that there was a dip in the price. So obviously purchasing Bitcoin right here would have been a great idea, right? You would have purchased the Bitcoin when it's lower, and then it's actually going to spike up here, okay? So that is one way that you guys want to be purchasing Bitcoin. Now, with that being said, let's jump over to Coinbase and I'll actually show you exactly how to purchase Bitcoin. So as you guys see here, if we invite friends, you can get a $10 in free Bitcoin, which is pretty awesome. So if you use the link in the description below and you purchase your Bitcoin, you will both get $10, which means I'll get $10 and you will get $10 as well. And if you stay tuned to the very end of this video and you guys want to learn how to trade and you want to learn how to make money with cryptocurrency, what I'm actually going to do is, if you join Coinbase and you invest $100 and get the $10 for free, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to give you guys a bonus. I'm going to send you that $10. Yeah, exactly. I'm going to send you that $10 so that you can further increase your portfolio. All you have to do is join Coinbase below, deposit $100 into the Coinbase portfolio, and I'm also going to show you at the end of this video where to safely store your cryptocurrency, because as you see here, if we scroll down, I do not store my cryptocurrency on Coinbase because it is not as secure as you want when it comes to holding your cryptocurrency. I personally like to hold my cryptocurrency on my phone because I can lock my wallet with my fingerprint, and it is a little bit more secure than just having it on a platform where somebody could, potentially go in and actually, steal your account, whereas somebody's going to have a lot harder time stealing your phone and things like that, okay? So if you want to keep your cryptocurrency safe, I recommend storing it either on your phone or in what we call a cold storage, okay? I'm not going to go over cold storage or anything like that, but I will share what I recommend storing your cryptocurrency on your phone, what platform or what app I actually use at the end of this video. So once you set up your Coinbase account, you can actually purchase many different cryptocurrencies now. Back in the day, you only used to be able to purchase Bitcoin, but if we actually go over to prices, they have this new setup where you can see all of the different cryptocurrencies that you can buy. Now, this is pretty awesome because it's going to give a newbie something of value, right? If we go over here, you only see that there's about 20 cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, or if we actually go back to the coin market cap, you'll see that there is hundreds, okay? So Coinbase is one of those platforms which is going to source out the best cryptocurrencies, and it's going to host it on their platform, which you can buy and sell to profit. So in order to actually go ahead and purchase Bitcoin or Ethereum or Ripple or Bitcoin Cash, whichever that you guys want to do, again, you want to make sure that you are, if at all possible, purchasing at a low cap, okay? That's going to give you some instant or almost instant return on your investment. Like I said, if you were to purchase down here when the price was at, say for some reason you purchased when it was at 67.47, right? You would have a 5% or a 6% growth within the last, 13 hours or 12 hours or so from actually purchasing your Bitcoin, okay? So if we look right here, that is a $452 increase. So if you were to purchase one Bitcoin down here for $6,700, you would have essentially made $450 in profit by doing absolutely nothing because you bought when the price was lower, okay? So what you can do, you can head over to Coinbase here, say again you want to purchase Bitcoin, you just click on Bitcoin. Then what you can see here is your buy, your sell, and your convert, okay? So on Coinbase, what it actually allows you to do is it actually allows you to, say sell your Bitcoin and convert it into Ethereum. All right, this is what we call crypto trading or crypto converting. Okay, if you guys want to learn more about that, I have a free training below in the description, which you can learn more about, buying and selling cryptocurrency pairs. But for this video, in order to purchase Bitcoin, what you want to do is you can either link your Coinbase account to your bank account, you can link your Coinbase account to your credit card, or you can link your Coinbase account to your PayPal or other sorts of payment methods. All right, I personally have linked mine to my bank account, and that's how I purchase my Bitcoin. So then what you can do is I recommend, I'm in Canada, so my price is in Canadian dollar. If you want to switch it, you can turn it to Bitcoin. But for easy purchasing, what you can do is you can just simply type in, say you want to purchase $20, right? It's going to collect, or it's going to post in $20 here. And if you wanted to convert it, you can see that it is 0.018 at this current time, okay? I'm not going to buy Bitcoin because I have a bunch of Bitcoin in different wallets, right? But this is how you would actually go ahead and purchase Bitcoin. Now, there's a lot of videos out there which will just teach you this, exact formula. It's very simple. It's not very difficult. You just link your bank account up and purchase Bitcoin. But I wanted to show you guys the right way and the wrong way to buying Bitcoin. That's why I went over the coin market cap and showing you guys the charts, okay? Because there's a lot more benefit to buying down when it was at 6,800 and then watching the price go up to, 7,200, right? Than buying when it was at 7,200 and watching it go down to 6,800, okay? So there's right times and there's wrong times to buy cryptocurrency. That is what I wanted to focus on in this video, okay? So as you see here, there is some more statistics, right? The 24-hour volume, 34 billion, okay? $34 billion in 24-hour volume being bought and sold, which is a crazy amount of money. So now that you've learned how to buy Bitcoin, I want to go over a few things that you can look for when you actually have purchased your Bitcoin and what you want to do with it afterwards. So once you've actually purchased your Bitcoin, you want to take it off of Coinbase and store it into a more secure wallet, because Coinbase is just a platform which allows you to purchase and sell Bitcoin, okay? So it should be your middleman, right? It should be your middleman, like same as PayPal if you were to use it in, the real world money, right? In your fiat money. You don't store thousands of dollars on PayPal. You take your money off of PayPal and put it into your wallet, okay? Same same thing goes with Coinbase. You purchase your cryptocurrency on Coinbase and then you store it in a more secure wallet. Okay, the wallet that I'm going to be going over right now is called the BRD Wallet. I know it's pretty funny, but it is, if you type in BRD Wallet, what you'll pop up is the BRD Wallet. Okay, so this is used in 170 countries, got 2 million users, and the thing that I love about it the most is it makes it easy to send, because most of cryptocurrency purchases are scanned with QR codes, which are very easy to do from your phone, and it's also very secure in the sense that it is fingerprint locked and it is on your phone. It's not online. You can't download the wallet online and have it on your computer. You have to have it on your phone, and normally you have your phone on you at all times. Okay, so that is the wallet that I recommend. And if you guys want to learn more about setting up charts so that you can purchase Bitcoin properly, and you can purchase Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies when they're at their lows, okay, what I want you to do is I want you to click the video somewhere on the screen. It's going to be over here or somewhere, and that's going to show you my trading view setup video. All right, if you guys want more cryptocurrency methods, if you guys want to learn more about cryptocurrency or other marketing methods in which ways I'm making money online, make sure subscribe to the channel. And if you made it this far, please give the video a thumbs up, as it'll really help me get this out to as many people as possible. Thank you for tuning in. Dylan DeFazio here with the Six Figure Marketers Club, and I'll see you in the next video.